Out of all the years I've been a content creator, this is actually my first advent calendar, and it is from MAC. I was so excited I was going to open up everything, but I'm like, no, I gotta share this. So let's open her up together. It's a little mirror and it opens up like so. There's no way to do this in a classy way. Trying to fit this into the screen. And then there's one more here. Our most highly anticipated holiday gift comes decked out with 24 full-size products and minis of magnificent value. The only question, will you unwrap one a day or all at once? All at once. Duh. So let's see number one. I'm just gonna lay this on my titties. I'm guessing it's a lipstick. Wow, I'm a genius. It is a lipstick. Modesty, a shade that I don't have. Looks like a gorgeous nude. Do a swatch. It's a pretty fucking shade. Oh my god, it kind of like matches my nails. Slay. What a nice way to start that off. Okay, this is number two. This one is the Dazzle Shadow. It's called the Taupe It Off. If you see scratches, it was from my cat. Wow. Put it on me right now. You know what? This is perfect for my look. With that gleam. You know what? I'm gonna try that lipstick too. I kind of really want to. Okay, this is Modesty. Yeah. Yeah. Slay. Something peeking out here. It's either going to be their eye product, lip balm. No, wrong on both accounts. It is their Hyper Real Seramizer for the eye. I love anything that's like travel sized, even though I haven't traveled in a long time, which is such bullshit. I think I want to go to like the UK next. If I do, I'll bring this. This is a part of their Hyper Real line. So they have Hyper Real Serum and also a Hyper Real Moisturizer that doubles as a primer. Adds really nice radiance and moisturizes really well. MAC actually has the most underrated moisturizers and creams. And I know this because I used to work at MAC. When I was there, I tried every single one of their products. I love it so much. And also my dad loves it. Like he stole my cream and he's like, what is this? It's amazing. And I'm like, clearly it's MAC. He's like, give me more. And I was like, okay, whatever Papa wants, Papa gets. Number for shizzles. This is like a size of a brush. Is it a brush? That'd be pretty amazing if it was a brush. They should give makeup brushes because I love MAC makeup brushes. It is not. It is, ooh, Cool Spice. Okay. If you love lip liners, you know that Spice is the OG, is like the shit. Eyeing this one because I am a Spice girl. That's pretty. You know what? I'll remove the bottom. I remove the bottom and then I coat to the bottom again. There's no saving me. Line and then fill it in so we can actually see the color, and you can't see the color because again. Stop it, Yamina. Stop it. Okay, let's try again, and like no blotting this time, please. Holy shit, I'm so annoying. That's pretty. Go back with Modesty. Suits together like the Cool Spice with Modesty with Taupe It Off. Is that even? Doesn't matter. The color's nice. Which number were we on? I don't know numbers. I cannot do shit with numbers. 5. This is so fun. Okay, Color Excess, amazing eyeliner, glitter dye, black. They also have this in other colors, and I use black the most. Goes on smooth. Is it's black as my heart. 6. This one is their lipstick. I am thinking that it is their Kiss lipsticks. No, I'm so wrong, but I'm so happy that I am wrong because it's their Prep and Prime lip. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Good shit. It's good shit. 7. I'm gonna say gloss. For one time in my life, I'm right. It is gloss. Just like a nice topper. I love that sound of like a pop of a new gloss, and it smells good. It smells delish. Look at that shine, that butter smoothness. Should I try it? Yes. More. What a pretty gloss. Numero 8. Matte Stack Mascara. You see how I love silver balls? Yeah, like, look, balls. Beautiful packaging, but I'll be honest with you, I think it's okay. I think it's an okay mascara. But when I did work at MAC, people did love that one. It's just not for me. Number 9. Oh no, I remember. 9 was under my left armpit. That almost tricked me for being a 6. What is this? It's a gua sha tool. All my oils are getting on it. I don't know why. I really love this. I think it's because it's matte black, MAC labeled. I love it. Under my right armpit. Espresso. One of their classic shades. Really nice for deepening an eye look. Whoa! What number is this? Is that just like an extra? I think I ruined a surprise. 11. Another lipstick. I feel it. We know the bullets. Yep. This one is called a syrup. Hyper Real Ceramizer to match with your Hyper Real eye. 13. 13. Is it? Aha. 13. Yes, lashes. Idol Lash. I have not tried these ones. Yo. Lip gloss. Classic. The multifunctional, so not only for your lips, but you can do your editorial glossy eye looks. You can take a little bit and like press it on your cheeks to make it glow. Lip gloss is a classic. 15. Lip liner. I have Soar. I'm pretty sure you've seen Soar a billion times now. In case you have not, I have my open one here and I can do a little swatch for you. Soar. That's actually such a horrible swatch. I'm sorry. There you go. That is Soar. Another full size bow lipstick. What shade is this? Forever Curious. I don't have the shade. That's such a pretty shade. That is so pretty. MAC lipsticks are forever going to be my absolute favorites. They are so insanely popular, especially in Asia. Jesus, but for good reason. They're freaking amazing. What number was I on? I have short-term memory. Right here. Strobe cream. This one you can, why do I feel like I'm advertising for them now? Can't help but like to talk about every single product, but this is a strobe cream. This one you can add to the high points of your face, like your cheeks, tip of your nose, for a really gorgeous glow, or you can mix it in with your foundation if you want that extra radiance. Anyways, it's nice. 18 was here. Yes. And to go with the other Hyper Real foam cleanser. All right, now that's empty. Yay. Okay, this is 19. Came out, it looked like a blunt. Brushstroke 24 hour. It has a really fine tip. Bristles just bunched together, so it gives that really smooth line. Oh, 19. What comes after 19? 20. Another bullet lipstick. Russian freaking red. I think this was a lipstick that Angelina Jolie wore for Maleficent. 21. All that glitters. So swatch. Glimmering topper for eyeshadow. Almost there. And to go with the other Hyper Real in Canvas Balm. Eye patches. And we have the surprise I ruined already, but 24. And then this was 25. Take these out together. Oh, I think this is 24. Okay, this one is just like a really high shine moisturizing lip. I believe I still have mine. Found it. This is their Squat. That sound is so satisfying. And it's just a really nice hydrating balm, like a nice topper that you can put on any lipstick. I know it shows up green, but then once it blends out, it just gives you a really nice high shine. And that is it. That is the MAC Advent Calendar. Let me know what you think and if you're going to get this for the holidays. Was there anything in there that you really liked? Let me know.